Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Qashqai ST, stock reference number 5313. The shape runs from the 6th month 2014 through to the 7th month 2021. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.